Planning to travel internationally from the Czech Republic by train but not sure how to buy your ticket? In this video, you'll see how to book an international train ticket online from the largest Czech rail operator,
České dráhy.
Let's start by going to the official website. You can simply search for cd.cz/en on Google, or type it directly into your browser. This will take you to the English version of their site, where you can book both domestic and international tickets. I recommend creating an account before booking. While it's possible to buy a ticket without one, having an account makes it much easier to keep track of your purchases. It's free to sign up, and you also collect points with every ticket you buy, which you can later redeem for discounts, or even a free ticket. After logging in, on the main page you'll select your departure station, your destination, and then choose the date and time of your journey. Next, enter the number of passengers and indicate if anyone has any discount cards. I already have some of my fellow travelers saved in my profile for convenience. Once everything is set, simply confirm your choices and click Search. For each available connection, the price and the number of points you'll earn with the purchase are displayed right away. The system automatically selects the most suitable ticket for you. After clicking a purchase, the recommended ticket type appears. In my case, it's the First Minute Europe ticket for second class. Of course, you can choose a different ticket type, or even upgrade to first class. From my experience, that's usually unnecessary and almost twice as expensive. Each ticket option also shows the cancellation policy and its cost. Click the Select button to confirm your ticket choice. Now you'll see a summary of your booking. You have the option to add a return ticket and to modify your seat reservation, which I definitely recommend. In our case, the system would automatically assign seats, which might not be ideal. The seat reservation is free of charge, as is any change to it. So, we click Change and then select Seat from the seating map. Now, we can see a layout of the entire train and choose individual seats. Simply click on a seat to select it, then confirm your choice. Finally, click on Add to Cart. You'll see the summary again, where you enter the passenger's name for the ticket. After that, all that's left is to make the payment. Once the payment is completed, the system will automatically redirect you to the page where you can download your ticket. At the same time, the ticket will be sent to your email and will also appear in your account under My Tickets. If you're curious about what the journey on this morning train will be like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.